Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the EA app not working. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the search and then search EA, and you're gonna see the app right here. And basically, you either press on Run as Administrator right here, or you left click on the app and press on Run as Administrator. And after that, the app is gonna open right here. But if this way did not work for you, the second way that you wanted to do is go to search. And basically what you wanted to do is search app recovery. And the EA app is gonna show up right here, and simply gonna press on open. And the EA app is gonna pop up like this, and you simply gonna press on clear cache. And the app's supposed to open up just like that. But if this way did not work for you as well, you're gonna have to go to the third way, which is just restart your computer, pressing on the window button, and then you press on power and then restart. This way often works if your app might be lagging, so you might want to give it a try. And for the last way, you just have to uninstall the app, and you simply can do that by going to the control panel and press on uninstall a program. And after that, you're just gonna scroll down and you uninstall the EA app right here. And after that, you have to reinstall again. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.